Hello guys and girls! Today we're gonna see how to make the planters punch. This cocktail is normally made with rum. There is many variations, although in my case we'll do the healthy planters punch with no rum at all, stevia water. Instead of the grenadine, syrup of grenadine, we'll use this amazing grenade that will separate all the grains, and then we will blend it to take only the juice of it. A whole orange, fresh orange, makes the difference, and a half lime. And at the end, of course, this amazing pineapple that I took, which is very matured, so it's full of sugar, and it will give a nice taste to the drink. So let's see this amazing planters punch. This is very sweet, very mature, perfect for any cocktail when you make them. It really gives you a lot of juice of the pineapple, and after all the rest is full of antioxidants. So let's see what it tastes like. This is so refreshing. Pineapple is refreshing. The grenade is refreshing. Lime, orange. So good for you. So amazing when you drink it. It gives you full of energy. And I understand the planters and the punch. Ciao. See you in the next video.